Hello, I am Naveed Mukhtar from ZR Visas. We are an immigration advice firm since 2006, have clients in more than 60 countries. We are a family visa specialist, have 100% success rate in many UK visa applications, including UK Fiancé visa, UK spouse visa, extension applications and switching applications, British nationality applications, indefinite leave to remain, UK sponsor license applications, skilled worker visa and dependent applications, and a lot more. You can see our work on our success stories page on zrvisas.com. We have hundreds of 5-star reviews on Google and Trustpilot, Facebook, and Yelp. Just search ZR Visas to find how we are helping clients around the world. In this video, we will talk about the new financial requirements introduced by the Home Office recently. A lot of people have been asking questions and try to understand how the changes will impact them and what will happen if they made their application before the changes and what is the current threshold and what will be the income requirements by end of the year and during the next year 2025. Starting from the current requirements for UK Fiancé visa application and UK spouse visa application. The current income threshold has been increased from £18,600 to £29,000 a year. Partner applications who are joining their partner from abroad on or after 11th of April 2024, or they are making a switching application from a different visa route to partner visa application, they will need to meet the new criteria for income requirement, that is £29,000 a year. There are many ways to meet the income and financial requirement. We will discuss that one by one. If you or your partner are in receipts of certain disability benefits, such as personal independence payment or carer allowance or bereavement allowance, then you may be exempt from meeting the financial requirements. Different rules will apply, and you will have to meet sufficient accommodation and maintenance requirements to make a successful UK Fiancé and spouse visa applications. Let's talk about how you can meet the financial requirements if you are employed. You will need your last 6 to 12 months payslips and bank statement to prove your income. The gross amount will be taken into account to calculate your annual income. When we say gross amount, it means the highest amount shows on your payslip before deduction of national insurance and tax. Depending on your circumstances, you may need to provide 6 to 12 months payslips with the corresponding bank statements and letter from an employer to confirm that you have earned that amount. When we talk about self-employment, there are two different ways of being self-employed. One is you are a sole trader, and in that case, most likely your financial year will start from 6th of April and end on 5th of April next year. In that case, you will need to provide your most recent tax return for the year which has recently ended. It does not matter whether you have filed a tax return for that tax year or not, but the Home Office will expect if the financial year has ended recently, Home Office expect that you do file your tax return and provide the corresponding accounts, letter from the accountant, and related bank statements for the whole duration as your financial year. The second mode of being self-employed is when people are director of a company, and in some cases they are the sole director of the company, and they are taking their salary or dividends from the company in return of their work, what they're doing. The rules are complex. They are not as simple as compared to employment and self-employment. These are not the only sources which you can use. If you have some other income, such as a rental income, or you are in receipts of pension, uh, and you can also combine these sources in some circumstances. But remember, not all the sources can be combined. So it is better to get a professional advice when you are thinking to join two or more sources to meet financial requirements. I will say strict criteria applies that which documents and evidence Home Office will need as a part of the application. Therefore, it's important that you provide the documents in prescribed format and the exact documents what you need. Another way of meeting the financial requirement is if you have substantial amount of savings. We have details on the financial requirements on our spouse visa and fiancé visa page at zrvisas.com. You can see that, and we will keep our website updated for the latest updates on income requirements. Now we talk about the people who are submitted their application before 11th of April 2024. If you submit your application before 11th of April 2024, in that case, the rule in place at the time of your original application will apply. This will be same for visa extension and for indefinite leave to remain applications. If you are not sure, please consult a regulated immigration advice firm like us, who can help you to understand that which income threshold will apply to you. We do provide a full application service for a fixed fee for UK fiancé visa, spouse visa, and all other UK visa applications. And we have some of the best success rates. And you can see our work on our website at zrvisas.com at success stories page. Our professional team of immigration firm can not only help you to do your visa application, but can also provide additional support and do urgent applications without any additional cost to you. We hope you have better understanding of immigration rules now. The income requirement is going to change by end of the year. That's what Home Office has announced. Home Office announced that income threshold will increase to £34,500 by end of 2024. And by start of next year, 2025, the income threshold is likely to go at £38,700. We don't know exactly when these changes will be implemented, as Home Office has not announced the dates yet. But we will update our website as soon as we have the latest updates. You can visit our UK fiancé visa and spouse visa pages to stay updated. You can also follow us on social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and we do post our work and latest updates regularly. And we do provide services to all clients around the world using phone, email, WhatsApp, post, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, and a lot of other means we use to facilitate our clients around the world. Thank you very much for watching the video. And should we need any assistance, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details can be found on our website. We wish you all the best, and we hope that new changes, you can meet the criteria, new income criteria for your next fiancé or spouse visa applications. And if you need help and support, please contact the team. Thank you very much for watching the video.